Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start the video. So we are making this part. This part is look like a typical part, but if you follow my steps, how I make this part, it become easier. Okay guys. Now take a line, sketch this one, select here. After selecting this one, now take a line and I think first we making one side of profile, then we revolve around to center line. This distance is 10 and this distance is 20, center line, and this distance, and take another from here. It dia is 20, the height is 3 mm. Here height is 3 mm and from center distance is 2 mm. 11. Height is 1 mm. This is inner 1 mm height is which part? It is inner side groove. Okay guys, are you understand? It is inner side, and this distance is 12. The 12 distance, 12 is dia. I told you there is a 12 dia, and in after 12 dia there is a 1 mm groove is cut. This distance is 40 mm, and this total distance is 42. Oh wait a minute, it is 42. Okay, we are making another solo. We are making the other slots. In this other slots, there is a three handles around this cup. We making all the three in next sketch in this video, but in next part. First, if we making these also, it become more typical. It not for me because I will easily made it. If you are beginner, then there is a no there is a issue is create, you not solve that problem. How you may be puzzle in this sketch. This section area A. Okay, this radius is 25. This dia, this dia is 50. No, this dia is not a 50. It is 25. Uh, what is the dia? If it is 42, okay, it is 50. Okay, revolve command, revolve around this. Now, okay, now our 50% part is complete, and move forward to next step. Sketch top plane, take a line, come out from sketch, choose the rib command, uh, flip material inside, 2 mm, flip material inside. Okay, now our part one dimension is completed. Then we rip circular, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We select all of them. Okay, guys, are you understand? How easy make this? How easy to make these type of parts? Sketch. Maybe there is some mistake I will do. Guys, if I doing any little bit mistake, when you are practicing this type of part, please do okay, please do um without error, because sometime some type of little mistakes um, are creates that create an issue um, during the fully define of our sketch. So please, when you are making any design, any this design, so please improve my mistakes. Okay, and this height is 3 mm. Now come out from sketch. Now I think now it is okay. Now we making three for holding the 3 point. Select, take a center line from both x and y axis. Status is 25. Okay. Take a circle. Circle diameter is 25. There are three holding on our part. Die is 58. 20. Its distance is 10 mm. Sorry, 3 mm. Sorry. I think it is big in size. Maybe it create a problem or not. Okay. Select the 3D sketch. 3.6. Oh, it is a counter bore hole na. 6.7 and depth is 1.65. 1.67. Position 3D sketch. Select this one. Hmm. Hmm. There is a mistake. Right plane line. Oh, wait, delete this. Hmm. Okay, guys. Thank you.